Hi, my name is Grace Joy, but you can call me Teacher Grace. I am from the beautiful country of the Philippines, where the mangoes are sweet and the beaches are sunny and the people are always smiling. I have a licensed professional teacher certificate and 7 years teaching kids to learn. I am an events host for weddings and kids' birthday party. And I am also a DJ, which means I like talking, I like speaking, I like dancing, and I like singing. Fun fact, I can speak a little Mandarin for you to understand better. Which means we will be together and we will be learning English in a very fun way. In my class, I can help you speak confidently, write words and sentences clearly, pronounce and read properly, and I can also help you with grammar and understand English in a very exciting way. Raise your hand if you like singing. Raise your hand if you like dancing. Raise your hand if you like playing while learning. Very good! So let's count to 3 and let's get this learning adventure started. 1, 2, 3, let's go!